This is one of those vehicles, when I seen it, I said, I'm buying it. It just, I mean, this is our cup of tea right here. Outstanding condition. Matter of fact, it's so nice, it just won a first place at the World of Wheels in Omaha, Nebraska this year, just a few months ago. Not 10 years ago, just a few months ago. It has 3,000 miles on a body off frame restoration by a high-end shop, Lucky 13 Hot Rods. I went on their Facebook and website, and they build really high-end cars, just like you see on some of the TV shows. So what's really cool about this is an original big block truck. It has its original 396 motor under the hood. It is upgraded to a 700 R4 overdrive, and it's got disc brakes at all four wheels, a real cool custom interior. I mean, it's body off frame restored. Outstanding truck. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all about it. Look at all the pictures top to bottom, and that's where you'll find a price tag on all of the cars we have for sale, along with a monthly finance option. We also have a buy it now button. If you see something you like, you click the button. That just gets it locked in for you while you're thinking about it and talking with the salesman. It's all at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, just look at it. They got the stance, the wheels, the colors. It's just killer. It's a Cheyenne Super. That's a deluxe model. I'm assuming that's why it has all this extra trim. But the body's outstanding. Well, I'm looking at this big hard tonneau cover. It's straight. I mean, it fits nice. It's lockable. It comes over the cab, so it's going to stay nice and dry. But this is all straight and polished. The bed is all clean metal, straight, no damage. The tailgate looks like brand new. This side of the bed is just as nice. The roof is in excellent shape. It's all straight. Everything looks really good. Doors shut real nice. This is all real nice, smooth. All the way down here is slick like Teflon. All nice, clean, outstanding metal. The hood is straight. I mean, it's straight. It's not damaged. It's not rusted at all. Painted a nice bright red with bright white, and it is polished smooth and glossy. I don't see any flaws. Again, just to be safe, I'm sure there are some flaws, but I'm just not seeing any. It's show quality, and the award will come with it. There's a picture of it on our website. So first place at World of Wheels is pretty impressive. Here's a tiny stone chip, and here's a couple little stone chips right here. So it does have 3,000 miles on it. If that's the worst of it, I can live with that. So all new glass. You can see it's tinted glass on the sides. The chrome is all sparkling, like around the windows, the moldings, the emblems, the marker lights. All of it is just shiny, beautiful metal. It has some great looking wheels. They're Redline. I like the spokes are with performance tires. They're 20-inch wheels. Back here, LED taillights, all the trim, all replaced, all shining. It's all the upgraded deluxe trim. It does have the cargo light up there in the cab. So really awesome looking truck. I was kind of waiting for the front end to come around, but we got a little bit. It's got the halo headlights, bumper, grille, everything up here looks new. Even the wiper arms look shiny. So why don't we open this truck up, show you the cool interior and the big block that's under the hood. You know what I like about this? It's usable. Again, this is lockable, secure, dry storage. Lifts open easily. Inside here is just clean, solid metal, and they sprayed it with like a bed liner. So this isn't show quality, but it's perfectly good, strong metal, and you could throw stuff in here and not worry about it. Gas is relocated to the floor. Tailgate opens properly. Latches are new. A few chips in the bottom of the tailgate and the paint. Oh, and by the way, this is all just clamped on here, and there's rubber underneath there. You could eliminate, I don't know why you'd want to, but you could eliminate the tonneau cover. It does not look like holes were drilled or anything like that. Or at least it appears that way. I love the stance, the wheels, the tinted windows. Awesome. Door jambs are slick. The door latches look new. And you're about to see a really cool interior. It's a TMI custom interior. Look at the molded door panels with the rings and the red stitching, and just totally cool. The instrument panel, all custom gauges. They light up red. Electronic analog gauges, has a clock in the middle. 3,000 miles on it since it's done. It's got the red stitched custom dash with the suede and the 3 rings. This is painted beautifully. Vintage air controls, so they're electric, not the old cables. It's fuel injected, so that's your digital readout for that. Here's the key for the hard tonneau cover. It's got quite a stereo in there. I see a microphone, so it's hands-free. Has kick panel speakers. Behind the seats, there's speakers, tweeters, and subwoofers. And this here is pretty cool, because here's the original sticker on how it came. It is an air-conditioned truck. The 400 big block engine, power steering, Cheyenne Super, tinted glass, automatic trans. So I think that's cool that that was still there. I wasn't expecting to see that. Real nice carpets, fit real good, embroidered mats. Check out the console with the cup holders. You got a remote for the stereo. Check out these cool seats, suede and leather and red stitched, and that's really cool. I'm gonna flip the seat forward for you. Kenwood subwoofer behind each seat, and in the corner is speakers and tweeters. And look how nice everything's painted. It has the interior light. It has the optional headliner and visors and mirror. All this stuff's new. Beautiful steering wheel on a tilt column. It has the overdrive indicator. Yeah, real nice interior. So it has LED marker lights too. I left the lights on. Can you show the halo headlights real quick? Sometimes you can change colors. I don't know if these do that or not. So it's the big block. They call it a 400, 402, 396, all the same motor. But all the codes and dates line up for this truck. I do believe that is the original motor. It's rebuilt. Edelbrock intake with the fuel injection system on top. In back is a billet distributor with I don't know what brand, but it's all new, custom. It looks like MSD ignition. Spectre air cleaner, some nice tall valve covers. Looks like I got some water spots. I actually was rubbing with just my finger. They come off, so that can be polished up. Headers. Look at the smooth firewall. Look how the heat and AC lines disappear behind the fender. And look how glossy everything's painted. Optima battery. Has the billet True Track system, the runner system with the billet brackets and pulleys with a serpentine belt, the mini polished compressor, polished alternator. Modern power steering is polished with braided hoses. The reservoir is over here. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Keeps it running cool. We have a vacuum pump here. That's because of the cam that's in the motor. It needs a little extra vacuum. So that's taken care of right here. Willwood master cylinder on the power brakes. You can see it's all new wiring. And then these hinges, I really think those are the coolest thing. They look sharp, but they function so nicely too. It keeps the hood nice and square. All painted slick. And then nice filler panel up front here. So really cool. Close your eyes, you wouldn't think you're listening to a pickup truck. I love this truck. Trucks are not my first pick, but man, I love this one. It's got what everybody wants. A short bed, it's a big block, show winner, optioned out, colors are great. So underneath this truck was all redone as well. I believe it was off the frame restored. All new steering and suspension. It's lowered. It's got a nice custom exhaust system that sounds great. It's got the Willwood big brake kit. It's a 6-piston caliper in front, 4 in back. They're red, drilled and slotted rotors. Looking up at the motor, it's spotless. Upgraded 700 R4 overdrive automatic. The exhaust is Flowmaster mufflers, has stainless pipe with a crossover pipe. The fuel tank was relocated from behind the seat to under the back of the truck. You don't want that exploding inside the truck if you're ever in a bad accident. And just everything just looks really nice and clean and done right underneath the truck. Well, the entire truck. Forgot to close the hood. So yeah, this one here, it's a special one. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll tell you everything you need to know, including how to get it to your door, how to get it financed. That's volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. That way you're notified when these awesome vehicles get posted. Thanks for watching.